right here. So this is not only your controller for your drone, but it also is a storage space for it and has the control sticks down here. You would just pick your control sticks up and pop them into place like so. You can see there's a little piece there that fits right inside. You just put it on there and press down until it pops. There's your pop. So now your controller is ready to go. Like I said, the drone also fits in there. So you could just close that down and you're ready to control your drone. The drone itself has this battery on it and the propellers as well. And it comes with spare parts. So you have your spare propellers. You have a spare battery. And then also these are propeller guards that you can install on it as well. Comes with a charger for the batteries and then a couple of tools if you have to replace anything. It comes with an instruction manual and then it also comes with instructions on how to set up with the app because the drone itself does have a camera on it. So you can use the app for Wi-Fi live streaming camera view of where your drone is flying. So that's very neat. So when you get it in, you're gonna open up your drone to where you just pop each one of these out. And then next you're gonna install your blade protectors. They pop on just at the very bottom, like this. And they just slide right on there. It didn't even pop. Okay, so I'm gonna slide the next 4 on. And then the last one. Just like that. So now, oops, I put that one on backwards. There we go. So now your blades are protected and it's ready to fly. It also comes with this phone clip which pops inside here and then you can put your phone here to watch your live view. Okay, I had to get batteries for it because it did not come with batteries, so that's why I'm wearing different clothes because it's a different day. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. I thought I'd let y'all see me try to fly it. So we're gonna start by turning on the drone. You have to turn the drone on first by holding the power button down, and then you turn on the remote by holding that power button down. Okay, so to pair on, we're supposed to go up and then hold down. And then we're supposed to go okay, we have it on, so it is on. Activate motors for taking off by pressing it up.